So this is my son's new PC, 4000D Corsair case with his motherboard. We're about to do an unboxing. So say what's up to the fans. Michaela won't be a part of it too. What's up? All right. Closing that door so that way mom like, oh, the door is open. All right, so guys, so he about to unbox his motherboard for the first time. This will be his PC. So let's get started. Go. Don't kill yourself with a knife. Please, don't cut too deep. I don't know how it's packaged in the box. Need help?
No.
I'm going to place the camera right here so you guys can see. There we go. Right. Pass me a knife. Pass me a knife. This is my son. This is his boy X570 Tachi. Alright. Any questions?
Not really, no.
No? Alright. So I already explained to you what a motherboard does, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is everything. Let me see. I gotta see the back.
Alright, you go to the back.
Alright guys, this is everything for this motherboard. So I know that this motherboard is maybe a year old, I believe, so we have to update the BIOS. That I know. Okay? So that in a later video. So what's gonna go on this motherboard? We have the Ryzen 700 series, Ryzen 7 5000 series. We have some storage, KNY, not the fastest, but it will do. What the kids are doing. What Roblox and homework. G-Skill, RAM, and that's about it for now. And maybe everything else coming in the mail. And he's getting a GPU. So this is the 3070 box. So this is what he'll be using for his as a graphics card. Can you guys see that in the thing? 3070. That's a lot of glare. Let me see back a little bit more. So you can see that. Yeah, I can see that. All right. This is what he'll be using as a graphics card, memory, RAM, processor. Everything that's coming in the mail. He also has some extension cables, orange and black. Try to push orange and black theme and gray. I think we have more over there too as well. Let me see. Give me one sec, guys. Oh, here it is. More cables. All right. So that would be his theme, orange and black. You guys can see that.
You want the case?
And the case. So you gotta make room for the case. So let's make room for the case. So you guys can see that. He's busy. Alright, pick it up. Now on to the case. Whoa, 4000D. Now they came out with a newer series, the 5000. Not too much of a difference, so I just stick with the 4000 series. So you can open this up if you want. Let's see if I can put it a little more higher. There you go. Now we will be building this together. Now Michaela is very interested in learning how to build computers, so she'll be my sidekick on doing so. I wonder if I should put my mic in this thing. Probably. Put it up my mic. Right, Michaela? You want to be interested? You're interested in building computers, right?
Yeah.
All right. So she'll be my sidekick, like I told you guys. Building the PC. Carter and.
Oh boy. I'm gonna need some help.
How are we gonna take this out? So what we're gonna do? We're gonna flip it. So we're gonna flip it on this side. We'll touch the table. So we're gonna flip it and just lift the box. All right. Need help?
Yeah.
And those who ever struggle taking out a piece out of the box, this is how you do it.
Wow.
Looks cool.
This PC is obviously is a white version of it. Let's see, right? If you just camera you need to come down.
Okay.
This is PC. Mid-Tara Corsair PC. A lot of reviews is on the internet. A lot of reviews. So I'm not gonna do no review of this. Just maybe an overview if possible. But you know you have the tempered glass, right? You can see all the components. You also have it comes with two fans, front and back, which I will be changing out. All right. A solid side for basically hiding cable management. You have filters. You have removable filters because I know that the reason I picked something because we have a dog. Because we have a dog, it's best if we have filters to help with airflow. The dog here gets everywhere. We have a German Shepherd, so you know you can imagine how much shedding that's around.
This is gonna become a dog video.
So let's see. There's also filtered on the bottom for the PSU, which I'll have to pick up soon. So you're just excited to see his PC. So say, you know what, if you're gonna open it, why not just record it? The front does come out too as well, what I understand. Breaking it. There it is. So it also has, okay, you can see the camera?
Yep.
So you have the filters right here in the front, and I believe you can also change these out and get the actual different designs, but I'll probably just stick with this one now. There you go. Alright, that's the case, everything in a nutshell. And look like it comes with pre-installed standoffs for the motherboard as well. How does this come off now? I guess you have to, I like the yellow accents. With the little yellow accents, white and yellow, that's pretty nice. So I guess this is how you remove the sure I don't break this trying to take it off. Here it is. So there's the tempered glass. I'll put this down flat so I won't break it because I'm not buying new one. It'll just be exposed. So motherboard goes here, PSU at the bottom, wiring goes to the bottom up to the back. There's also airflow right here too as well, but this is enough for the for Carter. This is enough, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let's put the tempered glass back on and then onto the motherboard. So what we're going to do is just going to just put in what we can for now. The other parts come in the mail. You also got AIO. I believe I got